Number 36. The diagram shows some of those stages in the nitrogen cycle. Which arrow represents the process of nitrogen fixation? So nitrogen fixation is fixing or using nitrogen gas in the air. So it's converting to the nitrates. So A is the right answer. Let's have a look at the others as well, just for fun. Okay. So it looks like the plant is getting eaten by herbivore. That's like digestion or ingestion, not digestion, but probably ingestion or consumption. And if the dead plants become dead organic matter, that's called decomposition. And they become nitrates, and this process is called nitrification. So dead organic matter like ammonia or urea, if they become nitrates, then the process is called nitrification. And if the nitrates become nitrogen gases, that process is called denitrification. Okay. So anyway, this question is asking which process is nitrogen fixation. So the answer should be A.